Hi guys, this is Trevor. Today we're making air-fried chicken thigh. It's a recipe inspired by Chinese barbecue, Shaokao. Let's get started. First, let's roast our spices. This process will help to get the flavor out of the spices. I use some very basic spices for this recipe. You can also be creative and add some chili flakes if you want it to be spicy. But one thing you have to have inside is the cumin. Cumin is the main flavor of this dish. Use low to medium heat. This roasting process will take about 3 minutes. Wrap this up and then put in the fridge. Let it marinate for at least 2 hours or overnight. Before cooking, rinse your chicken thighs to get rid of the excessive salt and the spices. Preheat your air fryer to 392 Fahrenheit and then cook 10 to 12 minutes on the first side and then flip them. Then cook another 8 to 10 minutes on the other side, or follow the instructions on your air fryer. Remember to let your chicken thigh to cool down for a few minutes before cutting them. With the liquid ingredient we added to marinate our chicken thighs, our finished chicken thigh is not only crispy on the outside, but very juicy and tender on the inside. It tastes delicious. Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you guys next time.